and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I got a funny one here today for you. This car is battered. It is battered, but I will let you know what it is straight away. It is the 2006 to 2011 Nissan Maxima J31. You wait till you see the condition of the part we're replacing with the new one. It's going to make you realize why we're replacing it. And it's also going to make you realize why you should buy one off us here at Parts Factory. But anyway, enough of that, guys. Before we do get started, guys, if you can, give the video a thumbs up. And if you are doing your own DIY repairs on vehicles such as this one, guys, this channel is a great channel to have in your utility belt. You might be doing DIY repairs on cars in the future. And if you're looking for me again, you might not be able to find me. So just save it for now. Have it there ready to go. Guys, another thing, if you need this part, click on the title of the video, the description will pop down, bang, link, order it to your door. If you're overseas, we've got FedEx. If you're in Australia, we do free express postage included. But other than that, guys, this video is about a 5-minute long tutorial. It's not going to take much time at all, other than maybe topping it back up with coolant. Guys, the coolant overflow bottle, let's jump into it. Alrighty, as we spoke about, guys, this car is absolutely beaten up, but check out the condition of the coolant tank. Now I'm going to just push this bonnet back a bit. It stays out of my way. Yours probably won't be as bad as this one, but look at the condition of the coolant tank. Now this wiring loom will usually not be in your way. Someone's cut that. But you'll see here that this coolant tank joins in two places. You've got one 10mm just here and one 10mm just there, and that will pop out. Literally, look at it. Wow, I could actually break this out. I will break it out today, but you guys will have to undo your two 10mm. So 1 and 2, it'll pop up, and then you got this little hose here. It's just you can literally just squeeze those little butterflies, pop that pipe off, and I'll show you what we can replace it with, eh? Guys, another advantage of the part that we supply from memory is that it comes with a fresh hose. So you won't even need to pop that hose off. You can literally just use our one. Let me just unwrap that. Alrighty, guys, so I've set up my bottle to be able to be put back in. Obviously, I'm not going to leave this nice bottle in this obliterated car because it is, after all, a wrecker's car. But as you can see, that's how it goes in. Obviously, you put your two 10mm screws and then your coolant hose. Well, I don't exactly know where that went. I'm sure you guys will be able to work it out, and you've got a functioning car in front of you. It will have gone like through here and to the radiator, but obviously there's no radiator, so I can't really plug that in. But yes, as you can see, guys, it's a stupidly straightforward job. You really didn't even need my help, but sometimes people like the vote of confidence that it can be done, so definitely do that one yourself. Alrighty, guys, not exactly a very informative video today, but realistically it's something we offer with every single product that we sell. So guys, as I said, it's just a 10mm, two 10mm nuts. Pull the bottle out, put the new one, fill it up with coolant. Run the car, guys, just until it gets to its operating temperature. You might notice it'll suck down a bit of coolant, but other than that, guys, everything's been pretty straightforward today. I reckon this job's about a 1-minute job. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas, and I'll see you next time.